All right, y'all, we are outside with the Inline 6 powered car. Got some balloons that we're gonna be hooking up to it to see how fast this thing goes. Got the whole entire gear set. Thing looks nice. Let's hook it up and see how it runs. All right, so some of my balloons busted while I was trying to pump them up. Here we go. Dang, it won't even run now. Dang, stuff getting stuck. Oh, man. This is the second try because I had 15 balloons together and like 8 of them popped the first time before I got to do the very first run. So now we got 15 balloons again and we're gonna try to pump it up without them popping on us, just to see how this thing, we get to see how this thing performs now. This is the second attempt. Let's get it. All right, y'all, here is the first run. 1, 2, ready. Oh. Okay, not bad, not bad. Let's see how it goes off-road. We're gonna take it off-road and we're gonna see how it runs in the grass. All right, we are off-road. Oh. It's not good. Oh, the stuff is getting stuck in it. All right, y'all, so that was my Inline 6 powered car running off a balloon. And the reason I couldn't get a good off-road run is because this gear right here is too close to the ground. Like, my finger can't even go under it right now. Like, that's too close to the ground. So the grass started getting tangled up in the gears, which caused the engine to stop and the gears to stop spinning. And I had to stop it right there. Also, a lot of people asking, if I run this thing backwards, will it pump the balloon back up? I don't think so, because that's like 15 balloons. Nah, see, it's not pumping it up. All right, we have one balloon on there now. We are about to see if it can, yeah, it's doing something. Oh. I'm pretty sure if I kept spinning this over and over with like consistent air going in the balloon, it'll pump itself up. Nah, it's definitely not even working off of one balloon. Let's disconnect it. Oh yeah, and this is how easy it is to come off the engine. I mean, come off the car, I meant. Yeah, one balloon is not powering this thing at all. Like, it's still on there. Yeah. Didn't work. But that is all to this thing. I think the best feature about this car is that the engine can actually come off and connect right back to the car. And the gears are interchangeable. I can change those gears and this one in the front, which I am gonna do because it is touching the ground. We gotta get some off-road footage. So we are gonna have to make this a smaller gear. And yeah, man, everything can come apart. Like, even this plate thing, like, can come come all apart. Look, that's the part that connects to the flywheel right there. And then the flywheel or the shaft from the engine just spins this, and then it rotates everything else. This is a pretty simple car. The steering mechanism, you can see that rod right there connecting the thing.